Rooster. Get us in touch with the boat.
I'm working on it. Radio's out. No radar. Everything's dead back here. What do I do? Talk me through it.
Okay, first the radio. Throw the UHF-2 circuit breaker. Try that.
There's 300 breakers back here. Anything more specific?
I don't know. That was your dad's department.
I'll figure it out. Mav, tally 2, 5 o'clock low. What do we do?
Okay, listen. Just be cool. If they knew who we were, we'd be dead already.
Well, here they come. What's your plan?
Put your mask on. Remember, we're on the same team. Just wave and smile. Just wave and smile.
What's that signal? What's he saying?
Yeah, no idea. I have no idea what he's saying.
What about that one? Any idea?
I've never seen that one either. Shit. His wingman is moving into a weapons envelope. Alright, listen up. When I tell you grab those rings above your head, that's the ejection handle.
Mav, can we outrun these guys?
Not their missiles and guns.
Then it's a dogfight.
An F-14 against 5th-gen fighters?
It's not the plane, it's the pilot. You'd go after him if I wasn't here.
But you are here.
Come on, Mav. Don't think. Just do.
Smoke in the air! Smoke in the air! Smoke in the air! Hang on! Yeah, man! Splash one! Splash one! Here comes another one! Booster flares! No, no, no! Splitting the throttles? Coming around! To be told, to be told. You got it, man, you got it! Taking a shot! What the? Holy shit, what the fuck was that? Hang on! We gotta get low! The terrain will confuse his targeting system. Here he comes! Talk to me, Rooster! Where is he? He's still on us! We took a hit! We took a hit! Damn it! Come on, man! There's some of that pilot shit! Brace yourself! Holy shit! I got towed! Taking a shot! Out of missiles! Switching to guns! Come on, man, come on! You got him, man! It's not over yet. One last chance. You can do this!